Hey everyone, John Cora here, McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi, and what you're looking at right there is the all-new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, and there it is in real life. All new for 22, this new trim level, this new package, this new version of the Silverado is the baddest Silverado ever made. And today, we're going to take a quick look at it and show you why you need to buy this vehicle today. Alright, so this is again the baddest Silverado they've ever made. It's not a Z71, it's not a Trail Boss, it is a ZR2 or a ZR2 if you're nasty. First of all, look at those tow hooks. That's how you know it means business. Check out those massive things. Pull out anything from any stuck situation. Got this big old flow tie. You stick your hand in there just like in Dune. Under that massive hood scoop, I guess not really scoop, underneath this hood bulge is a 6.2 liter 420 horsepower V8 engine. That is the only engine you can get on the ZR2 ... for now. We've been told that there's a Bison coming out also that will be even more stout than this one. Don't know all the details there yet. This one is in Glacier Blue, a brand new color for 2022. This is the launch color, so it's going to be the one that's on all the magazines, all the TV ads. It's gorgeous. Got those big old rims and tires. I believe these are 33-inch tires, if I'm not mistaken. Got the upgraded suspension in here. That is just so serious. Got the ZR2 badge. Of course, keyless entry on this one. It only comes in a crew cab and only in this box configuration also, so you know, you're not going to be able to get a long bed or anything like that on there. No double cab, no standard cab on this one. Take a quick look inside. We'll go around in a minute too to show you more of that new infotainment screen for 2022. Lots of space. Now this one did just come off the truck, so it has all the plastic on it still and can't really do too much driving, but we'll take a look at that gear selector in just a moment. Once again, 420 horsepower, gorgeous truck. This one is equipped with the multi-flex tailgate, or I like to call it, Doctor Strange and the multi-flex of madness here. You just undo it just a little bit, you have your little workspace, and you pull it up a little bit further, you can have your area there if you want to haul lumber or anything that you want to keep inside the bed that's a little bit longer. Then you push like this, it's just a regular bed again, a regular tailgate. Push again, it becomes a step, and there's a little handle here. It can hold up to, I believe, 375 pounds. So you just walk right up in there. And of course, this bed has special ZR2 badging as well. So another way to make your ZR2 stand out from the crowd. And you do have the side steps there on the bumper. It makes entry and exit into the bed very easy. And the back seat, plenty of room for everyone. You do have heated seats back here as well as the HVAC vents. Little hidden storage here for soda or whatever. You got your cup holders there in the middle. Does have a power sliding rear window. This one is also equipped with the moonroof. And I will say one thing I noticed, this was actually the first 2022 Silverado I've been in with the moonroof, and it's a lot faster than before. But there is your new gear selector for 2022. Let me focus on that just a little bit there. It is a little bit different. It takes a little bit of getting used to. There's no more column shifter on this. Of course, this is a new package, but there's no column shifter. It is just right there in the console. Your HVAC controls, you have your ventilated seats and two settings there for your heated seats. Trailer brake control, your push button start. You also have a heated steering wheel. Here's your cruise control, your forward collision mitigation settings. Oops. Then over there is your hands-free for your phone. Over here is your electronic parking brake. Then you also have your four-wheel drive settings and the settings for the lights as well. Also want to point out this has a Bose stereo system in it. So it is going to sound great when you're driving down the road. Of course, you can also listen to the engine, which I also enjoy. Power windows, memory seats, and that big old infotainment screen, which is a huge improvement from before. Let's go ahead and open this door back up so you can see it come to life. See where it says Chevrolet there. Then I have the key in my pocket. Let me, turn that on. So there is your gauge cluster. Then there is your infotainment screen. Okay. But it has all those options for those apps. And I'll just pull the maps up here so you can see how big it is. Yeah. Much improved over the last Silverado. But there is the ZR2 in a nutshell. That big engine, great suspension for off-roading, comes from the factory with everything you're going to need. If you want to come check it out, give us a call, 304-422-6501. Check us out online, mcclintonchevy.com.